Our windows and doors before, they would be 25 to 30 year old. They were timber framed windows, needing a lot of maintenance and pretty drafty. So that's why we decided to go ahead and get new windows. We had our first interview with C.R. Smith, the salesman Tom Hagen. This was over Zoom during lockdown. That went well. It went really well considering the way that we had to do it. Tom was very, very informative at the time. He reassured us everything would be fine, and he certainly delivered that at the end. We changed the colour of the windows internally to white, just to give it a brighter feeling, a fresher feeling inside, and we went with anthracite grey outside. Tom reckoned that would be it would look well in our house, so yeah, we took his advice, and I think it's a good choice. The front door has made a massive difference because it was a brown, dark, dingy hallway. To get it white inside with the wee diamond windows has fairly lightened up the hall. Now the dog, he stays in the hall when we're at work, and he's loving the bottom window. He can actually see out now, whereas before it was really dark and dingy for him. The whole experience with C.R. Smith went right back to Tom at the sales point. We had the Zoom meeting with Tom and we agreed the cost and the price and the style of the windows. He informed us what would happen next. He said that the surveyor would come out. He was booked for a certain day, and the surveyor turned up on that day, on time. He went about his business very professionally, explained everything that Tom had done. The two lads came out to fit it, which was Scott and Willie, father and son team. I can't speak highly enough of them. They were really professional in what they'd done. They went the extra mile to make sure you were happy with everything. They showed us how the windows worked. They showed us the process of putting them in. They were clean, they were tidy, they were polite. They really are a credit to C.R. Smith, and I would highly recommend them.